Today's goal is to get the percentiles of 0.2, 0.4, and 0.6 for the searches in 2019. So before we do this, it's kind of good to see what we're working with. So let's import the data. We're going to import pandas as PD, name it, and then upload it, and then say where it is, and then let's just print this out. Wonderful. So we have all of this great data, except we don't want most of it, as well as we want to find the percentiles. Even if we just had the only column we needed, which is 2018, it's going to be hard to find percentiles anyway. So what can we use? We can use the describe method of pandas. Before we do that, let's just clean up a little bit. You don't have to do this, but I like to. And we're going to, we have to comment out this though. And let's start. So, like always, you want to start by naming a variable. So we're going to call it des, because I'm creative. And then we're going to state what data we're using, which is hair products. And then we're using, like I said, describe. So let's just see what this does by itself. We're going to do this. Wow. Okay. So with the describe function or method, you get the count, mean, standard deviation, min, and then max at the bottom, and then just percentiles of the information for every single column, because we have every single column here. But what if we only want, like I stated before, we only want the searches in 2019? Well, we have to say that. So let's go back up here. Now let's go back up here, and then we're going to do this and hit one of these, and in these quotes we're going to say we only want this data. Well, and on my data, the searches in 2019 is named Y 2019. Okay, so let's see what that does. And now some big changes. One, we don't have all that data, and two, it's not named 2019, but it is all that information. However, we have a problem. We don't want this. We don't want those percentiles. We want 0.2, 0.4, and 0.6. Well, this is the easy fix. All we do oops, is we go up here in the describe function or method, and you're gonna just say, since we were changing the percentiles, we want the percentile to equal, and then in these like square brackets, we're going to say 0.2, 0.4, 0.6. Okay, let's see what this does. Wow. So now we have, like we said, we have 2019, but then we also have the percentiles of 0.2, 0.2, 0.4. We do have 0.5, but I believe we always get 0.5, and then we have 0.6. Wow, now we completed our goal today.